Our Let's Make Magic kit is all things magical. Every one of our recipes have a magical component to them, so something magical that happens when you cook it or prepare it. We'll explore different magical concepts on the front, like foods that may have been considered magical or may still have magic properties. The history of magic and how it was considered to be evil, and also superpowers, and how the earliest magicians were actually considered to be supernatural, like superheroes. As the kids explore the concept on the front, they will then be able to scan this code here on the back, and it will link them to even more resources that give them even more detail on this information. Also on the back, we have our club member spotlight, some jokes and riddles, and information about ongoing contests. Inside the packet is an activity for your littlest chefs to spot the differences in this magician here. Some information on famous magicians of the past and current. And then a fun magic square, which combines some math skills with also reviewing the skill of the month, which is our stove safety skill. And the magic movie trivia down here at the bottom. The recipes in this kit, first of all, the stove safety skill is going to give them a lot of information here, and then a way to earn their sticker on the back after they complete these items. The recipes for the magic kit include a layered lemonade, so that's magical how the layers separate when they pour it into the glass, with step-by-step instructions. And on the back of this one, make your own magic trick. We actually provided the supplies in the kit for making this magic trick for disappearing lollipops. This recipe is a really fun pasta recipe that can be paired with any protein of your choice or eaten just as is. If you choose to pair it with a protein, it goes really great with fish or chicken or something similar to that. The ingredients, the instructions here are in the middle, but the magical thing about this particular recipe is that when you cook the noodles, they turn purple, and then when you put the sauce on them, they turn pink. And this kind of explains the details on how that magic works and the science behind it. Gives the kids a link that they can explore to learn even more about chemistry, and specifically with purple cabbage. And then this is the last recipe for this kit. It's a disappearing act donut hole. And these are donut holes that are stuffed with cookie dough. But as you cook them, the cookie dough can disappear. And this has your information on there. This one actually does work best with a cake pop maker, but it can be fried in oil, and that is what we show in these steps, is how to fry it in oil. And then some more information on that there. So here's the tool for this month is the tongs that they can use to scoop up the pasta or to dip in their oil with their donut holes. They also get a bonus magic straw. This straw will turn colors in cold liquid, so that's fun to use with their magic layered lemonade. And then the popsicle stick is part of this, and the bag are part of the supplies for the magic tricks that we have provided links to video instruction on those as well. And then the products that you'll get as far as samples from our partners, that will depend on what we have available at the time of your order, but you will get some kind of samples in your kit as well.